Okay, so here's a second night camping at Prairie Campground, California State Park in Humboldt County. And funny, here in California, it's a Californian thing. This here is a bear box to put your food in, so the bears won't get any of your food. And I even at check-in had to sign a little waiver that says I would do that and all that. But it's a complete California thing. In Oregon, you know, there's bears everywhere, and we don't have any bear boxes. The only place I know that we have any bear boxes is at Crater Lake, and that's because it's a national park, so therefore it's a national park thing. Anyhow, it's a nice campground in a redwood forest, although the trees around me are all spruce. A nice creek here. But in the morning I should be able to get some shots of the actual redwoods. We just got done eating some of the home-raised chickens that we butchered recently. Cornish meat chickens. Alright, so woke up here. Yogi the bear didn't get us. So you can see the food box, bear box is okay. Yogi and Boo Boo didn't get us, but Chip and Dale did. Some chipmunks here above the car. Just eating the seeds out of a cone. And left a mess on the car here. So here's one redwood in the campground. See that trailer in the background. You can see right up through the canopy. So this is the elk prairie. Alright guys, so here it is, one of the base of one of these redwoods, and we're talking one of the tallest organisms in the world, living creatures. Oh yeah, just for the record, I paid $35 last night for camping here. $35 for a state park here in a single tent, no electricity, whatever, regular campsite, $35. I know in Oregon, I think you can get a yurt for that price. And as you know, you can sometimes find a hotel for $29 a night. So camping at a state park here in California, $35 now. So this is Eureka. I noticed coming in on the way into town, there's old railroad. Looks like it hasn't been used for 10 years. Seeing a lot of for lease signs here in town. So it looks like your typical scene now across America. Well, there's for lease right there. You know, you just gotta look close, and everywhere you look, if you look close, you can find a for lease sign in most any city now here in the United States. So here in Rio Dell, California, $4.19 a gallon. Yeah. Okay, so I'm on Highway 1 now in California, and let me tell you, it is as windy as can be and steep. As soon as I got off Highway 101, you know, there were signs saying warning, curvy highway for next 22 miles, so it's no joke. So here it is, Highway 1, where it just comes out of the hills, the mountains, and gets right along the Pacific Ocean here. And now we're going to continue along the Pacific Ocean and Highway 1.